Hi. In this video, we are going to learn how to use advanced filters and saved filters in TestCollab. Advanced filters help search and manage test cases in a project. On Test Cases List Page Filters pane has the option to add new filter. The field drop-down lists all columns that you see on the grid, including the custom fields. Then, based on the selected field, operators are shown. Again, on the basis of field selected, the values can be provided or selected. After all details are provided, the filter can be applied. You can see that the test cases are filtered on the basis of the condition we selected. We can add more filter conditions. We can also use operators like and or to specify the relationship between filter conditions. There can be one or more groups of filter conditions. These groups can again have their own set of conditions and operators. Filter conditions can be removed, and an applied filter can be cleared to see all the test cases. Filters are reusable. We can save them if we want to use the same filter conditions in future. We need to give a unique name and also set its visibility. Saved filters are accessible using this drop-down. Filters can be used to perform bulk action on a set of test cases and download the test cases in Excel or PDF reports. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding advanced filters, then you can send them to support@testcollab.com.